Okay, what you're going to see of 20 minutes worth of flight, 4 batteries, practicing 360 knife edge, and the purpose of this video is to show how unbelievably tough this crack pitch is. Just look between the crashes and there's some kind of good knife edge.
No harm was done to any pits in this video, only abuse.
I don't know how that didn't hit me. I have no idea. Calm down now. That was pretty close to that tree. Do a slow knife edge. Kind of a slow, steep one. We touched the wing. I think this is kind of good practice because you can do it for a long time. Slow knife edge. Kind of a knife edge harrier. Yep, didn't have it lined up good. Trying to hit the poppies. Just trying to go through the poppies. Knife edge harrier.
The crack pitch was not damaged in any way during these 4 flights. Definitely the plane to practice in. I'm a Twisted Hobbies believer.
Oh, out of juice. produces a record number of crashes in a session. 4 batteries at least.
1 minute over.
At least 12 crashes. Trying to get those poppies. I almost got them that time. $13. Oh, I get so dizzy. I'm going sideways. I can't walk straight. Well, I finally did it. Took myself out.